Math 3, your final benchmark. This is question 9. Consider the two circles. Which statement is true? Circle 1 is always similar to circle 2. Circle 1 is never similar to circle 2. Circle 1 is only similar to circle 2 when x is less than 2 or when x is greater than 2 for D part. Alright, so what do we know about circles? Circles are defined by one distance, which is your radius. And if you use a dilation, you could make this circle bigger, or you could make this circle smaller using a dilation. So if we could make this circle bigger to fall on top of this, then these are similar. So circle 1 is always going to be similar to circle 2 because of just definition of circles and being able to use the radius and manipulate it with a dilation to make it bigger or smaller. So the answer for number 9 is A.